Alright. Me and my friend here, me and Lonnie. Say hey. Yes. Hey. Alright, we are farming again. But I mowed last night at like 10 o'clock. Not realizing I'm not to record. I already messed up this morning. With this. I started putting it in a row before I even raked it to flip it over so it could dry. So yeah, we messed up this morning. Start the montage. Alright guys, we're done. We're done. All we have to do is this and bell it. Alright, we're done. He's going to get something to drink. And I'm going to start belling without him because he's a little turd and he wants some drink. I'm just kidding. He's just thirsty. Alright, right here. It's good. Can y'all hear me? Because I'm starting to trip out or something. Y'all can hear me? Yeah. Bro, what the heck? We got a hay bale. Yeah, look. Instead of an alfalfa bale, we got a hay bale. From the grass. I've been practicing with this baler, so now I know how to use it without skipping the lines. Whenever it starts beeping, I slow down. I didn't notice there was a beeping indicator. It's at 80%. Oh my god, I wasn't paying attention, bro. Okay, guys, this is not good. We have flipped our biggest tractor. And I don't know how we're gonna flip it back over. I don't even know how it got out. But, oh yeah, I broke to the back glass. Alright, I'm gonna crawl back in and turn it off. We need something to flip this thing back over. Hold up, I will come back. Over here with a skid steer. Help me flip it back over. Because I do not believe in that voodoo witchcraft stuff. No! Lonnie, what do you think about this?
That no good.
So, I'm gonna have to call my friend back once again. Come back with the skid steer.
Okay.
I don't freaking break my tractor. Hold up, I'm gonna call him up.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
I flipped my tractor again.
Again? I'm on the way.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
It's gonna take about 20-40 minutes to get back. I'll come back when he gets back. Flipped it back over. Now I gotta start back up. He's already headed home. Alright, we are gonna start the montage again. We made 10 bells.
Not always work.
Alright, we are done. We have made 10. Hey! I gotta call up my friend with the skid loader again. I need him to get this to load it up on the trailer sideways. Alright, I'm gonna call him up. Alright, let's see. Big boy. Call him up, big boy. Okay, this dude answers instantly. Alright. I need your help again. I need the skid steer too.
Okay.
We gotta load stuff up on the trailer sideways.
Okay, I'm coming.
Alright, he's gonna help me out. I'll come back when we're done loading everything up. We are back. We got everything loaded up. He's heading back. As soon as we can buy a new truck, we're buying a new truck, bruh. Swear. But whenever we get there, he's gonna do the honors of driving back with the other trailer. Not even on the road, bruh. Oh my god, that was almost another phone call. That was almost another freaking phone call. Alright, so we're going to be talking about financial situations. We are like $300,000 in debt. More than that. Okay, never mind. We're up. Last time I checked, he's at 3,000. Alright, so me and Lonnie have been thinking of some plans. What's your plan? To get our financial situation up. Hey! What's your plan?
My plan? We sell the hay bale. And we keep on doing it. Until we have enough money to buy something else.
That's a good plan and all, but where did our mower go? We have located our mower. It is still at the farm. It fell off the trailer way back there. We are stuck out. Whenever I get us unstuck, I'll come back. Okay, we are unstuck now. I just pinched my toes in between a broken bucket on accident, and it hurts. Sometimes you gotta let something out when you pinch. When you get pinched. Okay. Good drive. Pretty good driver, if I say so. Okay, I say start. Okay, don't slow down all the way. That's whenever we did this. It flew off. Now, I don't know what we're going to do about that one hay bale over there. I'm going to see if it goes. I'm going to see if it goes on the trailer. Okay, so it goes on the trailer. You see the color difference? That is a massive color difference. There's just one more thing that we started doing to our fields that we need to do. We need to fertilize them. So, I'm going to show you all the fertilizer we got yesterday. Me and Lonnie, we invested in a new fertilizer. And we was going to buy this little $2,000 one, but we realized we got enough for this one. So we got it. It was like $5,000. And then we bought the trailer.
You're making your money back a little bit.
It's been at 10,000 since the start of the video. These don't give us money. These are just... Some of them do, but these give us like... Not a lot of money. They give us like $1 a month. Oh, whoa! When did you get there, buddy? I'm gonna have to ask you to move. Ooh, after a while, this is gonna be our last. We're gonna have to. No, we don't. We wait until winter to sell our bells. Remember?
Why?
Because that's when they're most expensive.
What month is it? August? Oh, never mind. There's no anywhere.
Alright, this is our new trailer that we got right here. Lonnie loves this little trailer. He bought it, he customized it and everything. Alright, we need to fertilize our fields real quick and then we'll be done with the video, guys. No, bro, I didn't want to refill it with that. Bro, come on, bro. So is it solid fertilizer or is it lime? Okay. That's good. That's good enough. Don't ask me how there's enough front weight to keep this thing down and not popping a wheelie. Yeah, bro, it barely fits, see? I want to hand over the honor to Lonnie. I'm driving, but whenever he drives, I get to the end of the driveway so he doesn't hit the sign.
been missing?
I don't know. Okay, we're gonna put on our GPS. We got a very new GPS on a very old GPS. Hello? My GPS is broken. Oh, there it is. Go, 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 go. Well, we gotta get control over her. Oh, okay, let's see. We're seeing how fertilized the field is. Let's go. We got the whole field basically. Alright. And let's see the yields now. Fertilized 100.
Now what?
Now we just wait. And this is the end of the video. So, I will hopefully see y'all later tonight. Or wait, no, actually. Probably next weekend. Check. Just guys, this could not be good. This no good. All right. Deuces!